Hi, welcome back to BuonaPappa. Today I'm happy to share with you a new teething cookie recipe. We're going to prepare quinoa, gluten-free, blueberry teething cookies. They don't break, they are easy to handle, and most of all, they are very tasty. I tried one. I've been there. I know that teething is not fun. When you see your little one drooling and chewing everything he has around is not easy, but it's a phase, and teething cookies, they are not going to solve the problem, but for sure they're going to keep your little one busy, at least for a while, and also they're going to help relieving that kind of annoying sensation of the gums itching and burning. This recipe, it's super simple to prepare. I'm going to use quinoa flour, so if you're looking for a gluten-free teething cookie recipe, that's the one. And I'm also going to add some blueberries in order to add some flavor to the teething cookies, because they need to have some flavor. Yes, they are teething cookies, but they need to taste good. Let's start together this lovely recipe. In a bowl, add the quinoa flour and the tapioca starch. Mix in the coconut oil and the blueberry puree. And you can use any other fruit puree that you already have at disposal. It's totally fine. I had blueberry puree and I'm going to use blueberry puree. Combine all the ingredients in order to form a nice dough. Add a pinch of nutmeg to add an extra flavor to the teething cookies, and simply take 1 tablespoon of the dough in your hands and form a finger shape. I really like the long rectangular finger shape for teething cookies because I experienced that's the easiest one for your little one to handle and enjoy. Place the teething cookie on a baking sheet lined with some parchment paper and keep rolling. And you can size the teething cookies simply following your baby's taste. Bake at 300 Fahrenheit degrees for 35-40 minutes, then simply switch the oven off and let them cool down completely in the oven at least for 1 hour. With this recipe, you can make more or less a dozen of teething cookies. What I really like about these cookies is that they are hard enough to grasp and hold, yet they dissolve when chewed, and they don't crumble up when packaged, and that's very important. Still, as we're dealing with babies and little ones when they're eating, always stay around and keep attention. I really hope your little ones are going to enjoy this recipe. If you're looking for other teething cookie recipes, check all the links in the area here below, and there should be also a link popping up here. If you have comments, please leave them in the area here below. If you're looking for the ingredients list and the printable procedure, the link to my blog is in the area here below. And most important thing, remember to subscribe to BuonaPappa. It's totally free and you will receive every single week a new recipe from me. Ciao, ciao, ciao!